Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. Features also include parking assist system, alloy wheels, rear view camera, blind spot monitor, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Sierra 1500. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear wheel drive. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, auxiliary audio input, MP3 player, power outlet, power door locks, power windows, power steering, split bench seat, driver airbag. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.